Okay, this machine here is our smoke stick washer, automatic smoke stick washing machine. This particular version is the extended version. So customers need to also request the extended version if they have smoke sticks that are longer than 1 meter. Okay, so you do have the option to either buy their standard version or the extended version. I'm just going to quickly go around the machine to show you what it looks like. So now we're going to open up the door so you can see what the inside looks like. It comes with 3 handles, which you would tighten. Normally you would be working with the machine and the water 3/4 of the way full. You don't want to work with the machine empty. This is how it looks like. And in this particular model, the customer does have the option to also select with heating elements and without heating elements. So it depends on your company setup. So this here is the drain valve to release the water. And over here, going down to the machine, you're gonna see a detergent. This is where you would put your soap and your detergent. Over here is the indicator of how high the water level is, so you know when to stop the water. In the back, these 2 black things here is the heating elements, and that's what that is. And then over here is the hot and cold water valves. So you decide of which one is the hot and cold. And it's a fairly basic, straightforward machine, automatic, great for the company that is wanting to wash high capacity smoke sticks. So you have your buttons over here, you have your emergency stop, your start and your stop, and you have your settings for the water temperature. That's what that machine looks like. Great machine.